Welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking some bora. So this is some white bora. This is not a green one. Fresh bora that I cut up. Already washed and cut up. I have some carrots, tomato, bell pepper, garlic, onion, scallion, mari pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this is the chicken that I already seasoned up, and as you can see I add a bit of curry into it. All right, and I will be using some coconut milk into this today. So I'm going to start burning the sugar. All right, you have to keep your eyes on the sugar because you don't want it to get burned and get bitter. All right. So as Anami said to you guys, as we see the sugar started to get brown around the edges, as we can all see here now, we can stir it in and keep stirring it, and so it could get brown evenly. And this is just to give the bora a color. All right. See it? Now we don't want to see this now. You see what I get? Now I'm going to add the chicken into it now because you don't want it to get So now, as you can see that this, I just add some liquid into this chicken. So it gets too started to fry, so I add some liquid. Alright, and this will be optional. So I'm gonna add the bora now and let it continue cooking. And the reason why I didn't allow this liquid to dry completely out because this will have to cook. So I'm gonna let that liquid cooking with the bora. Alright, because if you allow this liquid to completely fry out, it tends to get the chicken more soft, and then by the time the bora finish frying up, the chicken will melt. So you don't want that. Alright, because this is a whole chicken, a young chicken I purchased. But when I come back is when I'm gonna add the spices. Alright, stay tuned. So I'm gonna add the coconut milk, half of a can. And then I'm gonna cover this down and let it cook. So now I'm gonna add the spices. I'm gonna give it a little stir first before I add the spices. Alright? So now we're gonna add salt, black pepper, and sugar. It must be complete seasoning. I mean, give this a stir. Yeah. So everything could distribute evenly in the pot. Alright. I'm gonna add some bell pepper now, and then I'm gonna taste it, and I'm gonna cover it down and let it continue the process. Bell pepper, and I have some baby tomatoes, which I would add just a little bit, not now, Okay. Must taste before you add anything else into your pot. So I'm gonna taste this. Does it still have liquid, as you can see? So we want this liquid to all dissolve. So I words. But out of it. Alright. So stay tuned. So this is it. And finish. So this is it when finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay? Again, please press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Stay blessed.